Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Braze software, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Braze account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create and sign up for Braze anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that keeping in touch with your customers is an important way to increase conversions, and Braze is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, braze.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a Braze account, you're going to click right here on Start a Free Trial. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be brought to this page. So from time to time, Braze does run various promotions. You can see they're doing a free 14-day trial. Check my video description for the most recent promotion. And in order to create your account, you're going to need to enter your first name, your last name, work email. This can't be like a Gmail or a Yahoo. It needs to be your company email, phone number, job title, company, and department. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this in off screen. Okay, guys, I went ahead and filled out the required information. I'm going to click here on continue. Okay, next, Braze is asking for the industry I work in, company size, country, how many contacts do I have, which features you're interested in, and goals for my business. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. Okay, I filled out the required information. I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next, Braze is going to send a verification email to confirm my email address. So I'm going to click here, send verification email. Okay, next, Braze sent me a 6-digit verification code. So I'm going to grab that from my email and enter it in here. Okay, next, they're going to send me a text message to verify my phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and have them send the code now. Okay, I just received the code in my cell phone, so I'm going to enter that code here. Okay, I entered in the code. I'm going to click on verify. Okay, the email for me to go ahead and access my account. So I'm going to open up that email and then click on the link. Okay, the email took about 2 minutes for me to receive it while they were setting up my account, and there was a link in it. So I clicked on the link, and now they're prompting me to go ahead and create a password and then my password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off screen. Okay, I entered in my password. I'm going to click here, complete sign up. Okay, so immediately after, they're asking me to enter my password to go ahead and sign in. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, next they sent me a 6-digit verification code in order to sign into my Braze dashboard. So I just received that code. I'm going to enter it in here. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to the dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start putting together different campaigns and building up my audience in Braze. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Braze account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.